welcome to the NGOCC podcast. And today we are on the street. We want to interact with you, our dear viewers, and just get into the community. I'm your host, Chibesa Cecilia Mungulu. Now, today we are discussing a very heated topic that is currently affecting us as society, but most importantly, it is happening in our homes and in our communities. We want to talk about economic hardships, but most importantly, we want to address the increase in the number of defilement and rape cases that we are currently experiencing in our country. So come with me as I get to interact with the beautiful people of Chaisa compound in Lusaka and get to hear from them.
Maskuano tiona voda bwisa vopambana na pamene tenzoona kuti kudala tenzinamvera kwati majanki azachokamo then bamene ba defilement nawo bapaka maningi then manje bana bataskana basikana bana batu bavuta basikana bana penango olo mwamuna bachitoba kukonkerera bamuna basikana amene aba ikakwana chabe 8 hours bana bambovula bazivulira beka koditi zankhala bwanji.
I think this will come to parents tibapa samaningi freedom bana watu pesa kuti usiku mwana mkazi 19 hours ali pa nyumba akabwela ma parents zimfaka konzero bini kumkalipira kumfunza kuti mwana nzaenda kuti. So sininga blame maningi kapani bazibambo bazitate bamene bastadifao bana na bebe bana bakaena benangu bastofuna beka pesa kuti kamwana nikamungono kalimbikira kuli bakulu kamene kuja chasala nchani baza bastadifao. So tifake kama ningi nzero wazimai ponkala kuti ndise wakazi bana tisabalekelele bapita na chabe bakumamo ba time yambiri peza kuti mwana nikusense nali kudala mba asita chani mba chito kulibe boma yanganepo batsakireko vochi tabiri vonse at least majanki boma yanganepo majanki amenya ndeba mbalangisa kuti 17 hours bamba kudala kusta difao bana bamba kumenya bantu safa kakonzero bana munga muzibana bakumenya bamba chabe kukopa. So manje tifuna chabe kuti at least ngati mungachitandizireko so that nice at least tingankaleko tingaoneka mabenti ngachitire chabe
tufuna at least munga ba polisi bamungena kona maba baona kuti bana tungono twantulengeza kuti malepkesa chite branch kaenda kuja amaye bake sibazi bakachoka pa nyumba kaenda basakira se bakaona so a police at least ngati bangena maba muja bambo checking ama under 18 swafunika wakambo pitamo nchivindu vonse vangala kwa triste
majanki kupoka bantu vintu kuchita chani aliyense masiko ananangena kuti ni janki olo ni muntu wapita na njira chabe pamena mpeza enda uzapeza mpoka kachola bamumenya ku oipisisa so tizankhala bwanji kutukana mukomboni muno sayo paka pokola kutaka pokola na ndani kapokola ali hapa koma majanki akwanza kuchita ataki muntu kapokola alipo so ni chititandizika bwanji
ngani ya mamini ya majanki anamenya abantu ba polisi wafunika around the whole compound konse not wangala chepa office bangala chebe
majanki mchaisa ya paka wamenyewa wantu washitiwa mataki olo kaenda ku polisi peza wapirangu na wapolisi wayopa kumpeza majanki wamenya wantu chieni ukumkabatenge bakana tiendani mkabalete mweka kamba kachani wayopa na beve
ndawa kambiri timagwira majanki ndife tikabauza kamba wagwirani badeteni pa polisi zakwanisa na ife mwane tisakirira majanki na kubagwira tikapeleka futi maseozi wena ngufuti wabachosa bashita bwanji wakachoka futi wabweza futi vamene vichi
defilement abanyamatola bagwire kapena nazimai bawo bakutamena bisirira mufunika mwambera kutati uyu mwana agwiriwa na mwamuna uyu ali mkazi wake mukazi na mwamuna wonse afunika kugwiriwa chifanga ati pali kubisirira afunika kamba vazoona sanga kwanise mwamuna kugona na mkazi mwana wali wake kabiri katatu sazi wa mkitani chimai wake afunika uziwa po chimozi then zamenezi ndramu zakuti ati mwana akamugwira mugona muntu chabe akabwera mwana mverani ankhala pansi ati shut up tiendi mpase ndramu mai wake na ebe anda problem
vantu washiwa ma-rape case especially vana vang'ono peza penango vazimai vao vadiakirira vayopa kwenda ku polisi ati vazava manga so ndiye vuto ameti nayo fluifa ameti peza na nayo ma challenges yali makomboni muno bayopa kuyenda ati nikaindo shita report bazamu manga bambo dilinganira ku manyumba badilinga bayakilira so cha bekesi so tingafune boma na eve ingenemo kupita mu makomboni kubafunsa abantu vamene vichitika.
We are in the heart of Chaisa, right here in Lusaka, to interact with the community members regarding the different issues that are affecting us. Now, we have seen that there's been a hike in the number of defilement and rape cases, but also the country is currently experiencing economic hardships. So I want to interact with the people of Chaisa compound and hear from them what they think about these three issues. So come with me as I get to interact with the community.
Azibambo balibeule mupovulisa bana bawo balabeka azibambo afunika nkale na nzeru ngati ni mankhwala baleke bachiteko chilungamo uyo muntu akagwiriwa na mwamuna na mkazi onse afunika bagwire
bantu problem mavolo ya chilamo bema vintu vambiri maningi bevi mashita disturb muntu mu mind popo peze kakangopesika na muntu mukuru akaona kamwana kamng'ono aona mwani size yake daso yakwanisa kugwira vana vang'ono
vene muchita siyani imwe mufunika chemwa konga munjira ya mulungu mwamene muzakonga noti muzikonga munjira ya kuti mwaenda chemukangana che na ndrama mukade na ndrama za fast mugona na bana banu muchita repo bana bang'ono lamulo ile savage government ile savage daso mpeze kati mwamangiwa kufuna che kulemera tentiremere che munjira ya mushe noti kulemera munjira ya ng'anga zizako na mani ng'anga zifuna ndrama na zeve ndepeni mfunika kuziva ng'anga zimafuna ndrama mwayoonaka so imwe mene mugona futi na bana abene munabala nawo mwabala mwana mwambala then mwambogona na evi siyani icho cheveso sivomerekezewa tikaenda kugwirani please musakaone government monga siri mushe zikomo
government ikatiganzirako chevi vintu ivi ngati muntu choragwira muntu ari wonse pembako che treatment yoipa unavirangana bwanji mupolisi saza kuchita regret utati yonachoka ichintu sinzakakwanisa kuchibweza po futi raping mwandi nchintu choipa maningi mwana wa mzako sungakwanisa kugwira mwana wa mzako anakwanisa zibarira eka icheve chintu sichiwama kugwira mwana wa mzako yeve taikana iyi chintu sichinawamepo ichogwira mwana wa mzako
sometimes pesika tuyenda kaidi kututa magireko maoda kama kwati kuunga kwa beti maenda sometimes madazi leo 4 kutunga yakocha kuna babu ino kutoka kuleko unga upata na majangi na vanga ba Emily ya Mantemba pata pamena oyenda chapa funa kwa chetu ndabata muri nato kai upesika bakugwira na iwe fi pamepa jamkeba ni chishita chitabwanji yaone nga kuvala ko paka mwino ngokugwira manja pamba ja kufyandikiza bachita vivo si babanga kwanisi maona kana ngo amene olengesa so unga wavuta mkema isuoneka tichape uguleko chape unga ukaonere zero number kaleko wa face kwanga pakati suzaona
azitati osagwira bana bang'ono makamaka atati bakaona vivero vabana baona fukaya necha ninga kambe kuna ine makamaka kuno kwathu nako azitate na zivalido zazi bana batu tizibalanga kavalidwe azivala bwino dasagwiriwa kuba zitate naisa azimaiti zilanga bana kukavalidwe necha ninga kambepo
au mwandi talema majanki mchaisa kugwira bana takangiwa please tipempa majanki ya paka mchaisa kugwira askana malep case.
Hello Zambia, how are you? Nikamba pa ngani ya defilement na lepu yamene bakamba kuti ati bantu bachitiwa malepu chamene chimalengesa bantu wamapezeka ati benango ni makawalala deni wakapeza mundu usiku olo mwana mung'ono wakapeza mundu usiku bagwira bamusebenzesa so chamene tingakambepo tifunika che make sure olo muntu pamanyumba noti pazingala bantu wali batatu babiri bamuna beka iyai pamanyumba chengati ndimo malandlord musunga bantu batatu bamuna beka bankhungulume osakwatira sitifuna ndiye ma problem yambiri maninga amene yapakisa amene yawo. Iyi ni countrywide, not kukomboni kuno kwamene nilili, nikamba che the all entire Zambia. So ngati mwaona abantu bangala bamuna batatu babiri beka iya Stifuna muntu afunika ngala pa nyumba panu abo talenti alina mkazi. Usiku amachoka amene baja batatu akapeza muntu aliyense ni muzimaya akolewa bagwira muntu sala muchintemba nambogona na eve. Palasi ngati wamuziba bakamba tenti mbole menso. Kairi azatipereka kujere.
Azibambo balibe ulemu povulisa bana bawo balabeka. Azibambo afunika nkale na nzeru. Kuti umwana nambalaneka. Lelo futi mwana uyu amene ninaye nikaichite naye vaso. Era choka kuli mai wake abwere pa mwana. Ngati ni mankhwala baleke. Vachiteko chilungamo. Uyo muntu akagwiriwa na mwamuna na mkazi onse afunika bagwira. First mukachite kanso kuja ku polisi so many days. Mukambese sise bwino. Chifukwa mwana sanga gwiriwe. Agwiriwa mwana gona naye mwamuna na maila gona naye mubwelo mpeza aonongeka koma yakuti nyalelo eka muzoti nikapoko ni chani chini problem. So maicho ni kuti mutitandizireko.
Regarding the rape cases and the defilement, I know these things are rampant. A lot of people, we've heard a lot of people, you find somebody sleeps with a own daughter, biological daughter, or maybe the sister of some sort, which is very bad. It's not a good thing. Would be pleased if at all the NGOCC can take this matter seriously, so that at least those the would-be offenders should be given a penalty, a stiff penalty, because it's not normal for one to sleep with a daughter. Maybe you find a 2 years old or 3 years old, or maybe 7 years old daughter, even 10. It's not normal. So I, as for one, in Chaisa here, I know they are not very much, but I've heard of maybe here and there. Let this come to an end. I even urge my colleagues, those that have got the families. I mean, honestly, you are a father. You have a wife who is called a mother. Then you go to sleep with your own daughter, honestly. No, it's not normal. Please take this matter seriously, so that at least there would be offenders, as I said at first, they should face penalty, very stiff penalties. Thank you.
We are now in Materere, the city within the city, where we will be interacting with different residents of the compound. We have just come from Chaisa, where we got to hear different views regarding the rampant increase in rape and defilement cases. So come with me as I get to interact with residents of Materere.
Defilement, mutangitsa defile muntu sikutwa mamanga 25 years. Chechimalengesa nichakuti vanyamatoka ndosakira nchito sivazipeza wachoma chemukomboni. Palasi wankala majanki wambochita defile vantu. Then another defilement mankala nayo against. Mankala na against na defilement ijakuti bafunana na muntu bavomerezana. Then at the end of the day makolo bawo zorabwera tanamuchita defile when they know each other. That is wrong. But the government has to work on it, find them jobs. There are some, like me, my children, they are all grade 12s. But when they look for job, at the end of the day, wazankala majanki, palasa zakachita defile muntu, wazasakirira konchito.
In terms of defilement, it is very sad. You see, still the community and everyone. We don't know if we have lost humanity or what. You find that even when Tomila Africa could protect Ivana, whereby it's the church, you find like recently we are seeing the video that is circulating on social media, a bishop defiling Mwana Mongono. Urina ayama tenant machana ayama. This like the one this bishop which is circulating on social media. Barina komeo masungira bana how orphanage. You know you do chintu chemecho nikakutifuna kutandiza abantu. In the end you are the one who destroying it, which is not good. And we don't know ngani wevu ya bwanja mene ya chiramo
ya pitirira whereby men of God they are involved in defilement.
and we go to church to learn morals, then you find that the church is now devouring children. Same applies kuri bana batu ameni aba. Just like the biggest advice which I can give, they should find my limits. You're taking against my drugs. You see, my drugs yaononga, because why my drugs yaononga? You see, bana wakapaka babema mafuaka vyamba chani, it will damage the brain, whereby akaona girl child na keve futi kavaridi kama girl child wangono futi. My parents, we should be more concerned on that, because mkazi mamene mulungu anampanga in a different way acting. It's difficult. Then we try by all means to open some morals. That's why in Africa we believe in a Chitenge material. That's very important, to embrace Chitenge material. And also the government itself should implement the laws that actually we will be pinning people with defilement cases. Yes, that's what I can say for now.
Redanda olafefire ekitika kyakuti aba umebalekata abana abanono tatwikere bwino mcharo chesu pantu icharo chesu tatushibeko tuleya nabo batulolesheko nakuba mifwalire abana mayo bana mayo tabalefwala bwino abulira fyaka mukatikala ka cycle neko alenda na kena so fidala kumona kwati bale ishitisha na bena beka bana mayo kubaume so tulelombako boma itwafurisheko kuli bana mayo mifwalire nabalumendo abalekata abana abanono inocho na danda la kona ene nichimo bantu kuliko twale kula kuma 71 twale china abafyashi twale problem abafyashi n'abalumende bo twale kula nabo bale pira abafyashi ubulemu nomba shinoshi ku bonsi bale chitira mwabakashana kuno obwalo abalumende ku pepe fyamba bakashana ku pepe fino fuba pepa kashinganishisha nombe charute chiweme nokwikata n'abantu ngawula endafi bakupoka phone bakulepinga amajanki so echalo chilolese ba police okobe banangu mosoko baba kasitati balole shepo ifota twaba free muno mucha ifota le twale china amakolo nomba bashino chikunga pepe fitakulu kutina omuntu bachirenderera fye nomba twale kalashani muchalo ichesu tule babe abana bo tule fyara ne beshikulo bo tule fyara batu chitaso nomba twale kalashani so bome tulifaya ilole shepo fye sana tatiri free ukwenda na watu lya kusoweto kubuka kuma 6 osa tu bika na kubuka na kuma 5 kuma 04 ula tina nishibale kulolela mwamona nombere futi futi tulebalisha nomba chala bashani muno muchalo cha tulelomba ife muno muchalo bomma ilole shepo tatwikele bwino tuletina no kwa mfwa yesu yakule mulandu wabana banono abeshikuru besu nebeshikuru tuvi ele futi libakalamba nomba nishirishani
defilement has always brought more harm to the community than any good. It is on rampant now, and it looks funny to some individuals involved. I'm here to call upon you to say stop defiling the child, because you've got a future and you're destroying the future of that child. You have people that are looking up to you and they're going to be affected because of that action that you've decided to venture yourself into. It can take long, you've been defiling different children, but definitely someday the law will catch up with you. So before that happens, if you've ever involved yourself in defiling any child, you can stop now and for the better. Because minus which, an assurance I'm giving you is that the law will catch up with you and you will rot in jail. Before that happens, please take precaution, understand yourself, and do the needful, because defilement, like I earlier on said, it has never brought any good than more harm to both you, the perpetrator, the person you're defiling, and the community at large. We can do better and stop defiling any children that are within our reach. Thank you.
Defilement and rape is not a cure nor solution to any problem. We have been interacting with people of Chaisa and Matero compound in Lusaka and just hearing their views regarding the rampant increase in defilement and rape cases. This is the NGOCC podcast. I am your host, Chibesa Cecilia Mungulube. Till next week, thank you for watching.